So hi everyone, welcome to Raaonline. So in this session we'll be seeing about the first water soluble vitamin of the vitamin B complex, which is vitamin B1. Okay, so vitamin B1 is otherwise called as thiamine. Okay, so this vitamin B1, what are the source of this vitamin B1? The source of this vitamin B1 is primarily unpolished rice, wheat, etc. So there are other sources of vitamin B1, but I am just sticking on to the main points. Okay, especially the points which could be asked as which could be given as a clue for you in post graduation entrance examinations. Okay, and also for your first year examinations too, if they give a clinical picture, clinical scenario kind of a question. Okay, so what is the metabolism? What is the metabolism of vitamin B12? So B12, I said thiamine, right? So once thiamine is getting broken down, is getting added upon, not broken down exactly, it's getting added upon by two phosphates. So ATP is the one which is going to contribute to phosphate bonds. So it becomes AMP. Okay. So since it is a transfer of phosphate group from ATP to AMP, it is called as thiamine diphosphotransferase. Okay, so this enzyme is seen in liver as well as in your brain. Okay, so this gives rise to what? Thiamine diphosphate. Okay, so this thiamine diphosphate, or otherwise called as thiamine pyrophosphate. TPP. So this is your active form of vitamin D. Form of vitamin B1. It's not vitamin D, it's vitamin B1, sorry. Okay, so it is the active form of vitamin B1. Okay, now we come to the clinical significance of this thiamine pyrophosphate. What is the role of this thiamine pyrophosphate? Thiamine pyrophosphate or thiamine diphosphate is extremely important for reactions like oxidative decarboxylation. So what are the examples of your oxidative decarboxylation? One is pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, which converts pyruvate to acetyl CoA. Then we have alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. It converts what? Alpha ketoglutarate to what? Succinyl coenzyme A. Okay, so these are the reactions called as oxidative decarboxylation. Apart from this, there is conversion of branched chain acids, amino acids, valine, leucine, isoleucine. So these branched chain amino acids will be converted into corresponding its isovaleric forms. Okay, so in case of valine it is isovaleric, in case of leucine it is isoleucine, and this kind of conversion happens in the presence of this thiamine pyrophosphate. Okay, so it helps in the metabolism of your branched chain amino acids. So, this branched chain amino acid will be getting converted into keto acids. Valine will get converted into isovaleric acid. Leucine will get converted into isoleucine. You get the point? So, this are the various kinds of functions of thiamine pyrophosphate. Okay. The main function of your thiamine pyrophosphate is oxidative decarboxylation and metabolism of branched chain amino acids. The another important function of this is transketolase activity. So, what exactly happens in transketolase activity of thiamine pyrophosphate? It occurs in RBCs. So, it is actually used as the diagnosis test for thiamine deficiency. RBC transketolase activity. Okay. So, in this what happens? Ribose 5 phosphate, okay, with xylose 5 phosphate in the presence of thiamine pyrophosphate will get converted into pseudo heptulose 7 phosphate, which is 7 carbon, it is 5 carbon, it is 5 carbon. So, this pseudo heptulose 7 phosphate plus glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, it is 3 carbon. Okay. So, in this process what happens? The transketolase level will be examined. I mean, with the help of this transketolase activity, you can find the amount of thiamine deficiency.